Hi, I'm Mike and we're taking this Porsche from roadside to campsite. Today we're going to look at all the camp gear we're taking and see how much we can squeeze in. So the first thing we're going to put in is the tent. It's biggest, heaviest, most awkward thing. This is the outdoor connection Otway. You can see that on the list that I've made, the equipment list on the website. I'll put a link down below in the description. Okay. Squeeze that in, down in behind the seats, gives us room to put some other stuff in. All right, this is the Dune 4-wheel drive 30-litre esky. All right, so far so good. We'll try pop in the Spinifex weekend camp kitchen in behind this seat as best I can. And, pop that in behind the driver's seat. All right, this other stuff is going to have to go under the front bonnet here. All right, I've got some tools and a sub. Now the sub's going to have to come out. Okay, let's pop in our Dune 4-wheel drive Traveller camp chairs. We got two of those, one for myself and one for Chef Anna. And that just squeezes in nicely. The other Dune Traveller. Oh, that's a tighter squeeze. May have to go on a slight angle for that one. Torch, first aid kit, and some barbecue tools. Barbecue tools, I'm sure I can squeeze in down the side here. Not a problem. Same with the torch. First aid kit. We'll leave that there for easy access, not blocking anything. Nice. And some bags. Let's see if we can close this. Ooh, we are tight. We have the airbed. We still have space here. All right, airbed. Can jam into that spot. Still have room for a bag. I still got to fit camera gear, but that's okay. I also plan on getting a bit of netting, one of those nets with the hooks, and we can also stack a little bit of stuff here. I haven't got that yet. We can actually take a 911 convertible Porsche camping.